Update required Netflix, how to solve. So if you're having issues whenever you open up Netflix, it simply says update required or any of the other issues as such, and then you've been trying to go on and then fix it. Now one thing you can do is you can directly tap on the update payment method right from here to be able to update your payment method, or you can go to your browser manually, go to netflix.com/account. When you go to netflix.com/account, this is the type of interface you will see, where you can just tap on update your payment method and just go ahead and then enter your new payment method right here, and once done tap on next. Once you make sure your new payment method is working fine, then your Netflix account will be able to go ahead and then basically solve the update payment issue. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.